Yeah, busting donuts. You're the best. Whoa. Can you say thank you, Mommy and Grandma Lori? I love my birthday present. No scooting in the house, though, so you don't run into doors again. He's so awesome.
You know what? I'm gonna take some penny buckets. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna take penny buckets. Penny buckets.
And he's gone. Are you gonna pop back out, little man? There you are! Okay, go, go! Show me how fast you can go! Go, go, go! Nice jump. You're awesome. You're an awesome guy. Now he's trying to do tricks.
Are those fun, Mom?
Yeah. Whoa, nice catch. High five me, because that was an awesome bail. It was an awesome bail session.
I was trying to stop myself on these and it started to burn.
Well, yeah, that's why you don't use that. You use the brake. Go, 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 quick, quick, quick.
What's happening?
I don't know, I'm making a video of you going around in circles.
I'm doing donuts. I'm doing a figure 8.
Try switching the other foot so you don't make